show that 1 plus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So LHS, take LHS. So LHS 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1. So this can be written as 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1. Like that we can write this as like this. Now, so this 1 minus this tan is sin square theta by cos square theta, and this is cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1. So tan can be written as like this and cot can be like this. Now again, so this is 1, so we can write this as cos square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta, and this is cos square theta by sin square theta. So this is 1, so denominator is this one, so we can write as sin square theta by sin square theta. This one can be written as sin by sin, and this one is cos by cos. So now we can write cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, so this is division. Okay, and similarly this is cos square theta minus sin square theta by sin square theta. Now we can write this as this is division, so remove this division and keep multiplication. Cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta. So remove this division and put multiplication, and we can rewrite this numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. So sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here cos square theta minus sin square theta, and here cos square theta minus sin square theta gets cancelled, which is equal to, so sin square theta by cos square theta, which is equal to sin theta by cos theta whole square, that is tan square theta, which is RHS, what we have to prove, what we have to show. Now 10th example, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So take LHS. What is LHS? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Now we can write this as 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. So this cos theta 1 minus, as you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, therefore sin theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So we can write this as sin square theta by this is as it is cos square theta, cos theta as it is cos theta. Now sin square theta, so sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. So this is sin by cos is nothing but tan theta, and this is sin theta. So that is what we have to show RHS. Okay, simplify sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. We have to simplify this. Okay, now what is we have to do? Sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A, that we have to show. So sec A is 1 by cos A, and this is 1 plus 1 minus sin A, put as it is, and this is 1 by cos A plus, and it is sin A by cos A. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Now cos A into 1 minus sin A into this is 1 plus sin A by cos A. We can write cos A. Now see this 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A, and this is 1 by cos A, cos A. We can write cos A into cos A, and the top 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, which is equal to 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. Now this is 1 minus sin square A, as we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So from this we can write 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A, and denominator as it is cos square A. So cos square A gets cancelled, which is equal to 1. So this problem is simplified. And simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. So this is very easy. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta, cot square theta. Now consider these two terms. So a minus b into a plus b form. So we can write this as 1 minus cos square theta, and this one as it is 1 plus cot square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos x square theta, Okay, now sin square theta into this is 1 by sin square theta, cos x square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. So sin square theta, sin square theta gets cancelled. 1 into 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So the value of this one is 1. So 13th problem, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? So answer is very easy, as we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. From this we can write if we transpose to that side, 1 is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So sec theta square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now this can be factorized into sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta, which is equal to 1. Now as given, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. So in place of this one we can put p. Now sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Now transpose this p to that side. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. So this is what we have to show. So sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So what is the value of k? What is the value of k? K is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta, which is equal to, so cosec means 1 by sin theta and cot is equal to cos by sin, which is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So this is the value of k. Again k square is equal to this one, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square, which is equal to 1 square is 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab form, and this square also for this, so it is just sin square theta. Okay, now k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, take this one, take this one. So what will be, so substitute this one, so which is equal to, so 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta by sin square theta minus 1 by, so by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta by sin square theta plus 1, and this can be written as 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. So this can be written as here denominator is sin square theta, so we can write sin square theta by sin square theta. So in simple way we can write sin square theta by sin square theta, we can write like this, and this can be written as 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus, so this is 1 and denominator is sin square, so we can write sin square by sin square. So simply we can write sin square theta by sin square theta. So sin square get cancelled. So if we transpose this, so remove this this one. Now one rearrange this to this side, 1 minus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta by sin square theta. Now in putting this is a division symbol, and write this multiplication symbol, and write denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator of this second fraction. So sin square theta. So in below this 1 plus sin square theta, so this sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Now sin gets cancelled, and this one, and consider this one. So here this is nothing but cos square theta, and this is cos square theta again, and this is 2 cos theta. by, and this is 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to again 1 plus 2 cos theta. Okay. Now, so just to rewrite this time in this side. Okay. So what is k square? So rewrite this k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equal to what is this? This one. So cos square theta plus cos square theta. So we can write 2 cos square theta, and this is 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta by 1 plus 1. This is 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now take cos common on both sides of this numerator, cos theta into 2 cos theta plus 2 by, just rearrange this 2 cos theta plus 2. Okay, so this one gets cancelled, and this is cos theta, what we have to prove, hence proved. So that we have to. So 15th problem, prove that sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, that we have to show. So take LHS. So what is LHS? Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. So this one is equal to, as a plus b whole square, according to a plus b whole square we can write sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a. Again this one we can write this one as cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 into cos a into sec a. Now sin a cosec a both are multiplicative inverse to each other, so they gets cancelled, and similarly cos a and sec a are multiplication to each other, they gets cancelled. Now write this sin square a plus, now write this one here, cos square a plus this one cosec square a plus this one sec square a plus this 2 plus again this 2. Now so this is sin square a plus cos square a, it is equal to 1 plus and this is this cosec can be written as cosec square can be written as 1 plus cot square a, and this sec can be written as 1 plus tan square a is equal to 2 plus 2, it is 4. Now open the bracket, 1 plus cot square a plus 1 plus tan square a plus 4. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. So 7 plus this tan, rearrange these terms, tan square a plus cot square a. So that what we have to prove.